Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in EA Sports FC26 on PC. So without wasting a time, let's jump to the solution. The first solution is to enable disable Steam input. This is for the Steam users. So open Steam, go to library, right click on EA Sports FC26. This is just an example I am showing with another game. Then select properties. Now go to the controller tab and select here enable Steam input, and then you can launch EA Sports FC26 and check if the controller is working or not. If not, then again go to properties, go to controller tab, then this time select disable Steam input and then launch the game and check. I hope this will fix the issue for you. If still your problem is not solved, then solution is to lock FPS at 60Hz and turn on VSync. So launch the EA Sports FC26, then go to the in-game settings, then go to the display settings and lock the FPS at 60Hz and also turn on VSync. And then you can check if the controller is working or not. This solution has also worked for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Third solution is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue, and then you can check if the controller is working or not. Solution 4 is to try these tips. Disconnect Rock Band drums, Otas as headphone jack, AMP, then unplug it. If you have game on Xbox app on PC, then exit the Steam. I hope this will fix the issue. So these are the solutions that you can try to solve the controller or gamepad not working in EA Sports FC26 on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.